Marami nga ang nag-speculate sa totoong rason kung bakit naghiwalay si Barbie Fortesa at Jack Roberto. Matapos ihayag ni Barbie ang kanyang mensahe na don't cry because it's over, smile because it happened. Having you in my life was the happiest I had ever been. 7 wonderful years, a lot of loves, a lot of ramen, and so much love. Your love was exceptional. But sometimes, good things fall apart so better things can come together. Beautiful goodbye. Yan ang naging pakayag ni Barbie Fortesa. Marami ang nagsabi na third party ang reason. Kung hindi man kay Jack, kay Barbie. Pero naniniwala ang ilan na red flag daw si Guy. Narito ang mga naging komento ng mga netizen, anonymous commentator mula sa naging artikulo ng Fashion Police. Anila, New Year na New Year, break up kaagad ang news, hindi magandang premonition to, say ng isang netizen. Ang haba ng pinagsamahan pero nauwi rin sa hiwalayan. Sana maayos pa, magkasama nilang sinaksihan ang tagumpay ng bawat isa. Sana pwede pang magkasundo. Narito pa, naging say ng ilang anonymous commentator, anila, saturated na raw, na fall out of love sila. Too much familiarity. May cheating and flirting involved kay Jack. TBH, she does not need that boy. A walking red flag. Huwag manghinayang sa 7 years. If wala ng love and may cheating involved, let it go. You deserve better, Barbie. Tanong naman ng isang netizen, may cheating pala. Sino? Paano? Mahirap talaga kapag na-fall out of love. Wala nang pwedeng isalba. Totoo yung saturation and too much familiarity sa long-term couples. Mas pinakasalan pa minsan yung 3 months lang nakilala parang Ellen and Derek. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.